Yeah. You got Brooklyn and Detroit on this one. You turn me up my headphones. Home Solo and Princess Leia. You want me to say I'm sorry. We back.
Murder, Murdaville, my killers are definitely murky, they certainly will. See the Griffin in the club, we be dressed to kill. If you don't act ill, we can.
I'm from 7 Mile, reppin' 7 Mile. You can tell by my swag, got that Detroit style. If you ever try to diss us, nigga, we go wild. Ain't no other city out here that get down like mine.
I'm from 464, Marcy and Flushing. Do or die, bed style. You rappers ain't saying nothing. I'm what the projects made me. I dare you to play me. Even barbers and DJs find it hard to fake me. Local when I could bass, they say that I'm crazy. Stop asking me, so what if I know Jay-Z? He doing him, I'm doing me, you should be doing you. Griffin Academy, who cares what you going through?
I be reppin' the glove, Motown, Motor City love. From downtown to them Lion Cubs and the Tigers and them Red Wings skating it up. Detroit, home of the Gators. You ain't talking what I'm talking, see you later. Rockin' the D, loud and proud. I'm from 7 Mile, nigga, 7 Mile.
Murder, Marcyville, my killers are definitely murky, they certainly will. See the Griffin in the club, we be dressed to kill. If you don't act ill, we can.
I'm from 7 Mile, reppin' 7 Mile. You can tell by my swag, got that Detroit style. If you ever try to diss us, nigga, we go wild. Ain't no other city out here that get down like mine.
Murder, Marcyville, my killers are definitely murky, they certainly will. See the Griffin in the club, we be dressed to kill. If you don't act ill, we can.
I'm from 7 Mile, reppin' 7 Mile. You can tell by my swag, got that Detroit style. If you ever try to diss us, nigga, we go wild. Ain't no other city out here that get down like mine.